It's Sunday. How does your table look? Want to find out more? You know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell, and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while we're here, why don't you give your girl a thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything to give me a thumbs up, but it can help my channel. And also, I'd like for you to comment and share my video. And today, we are participating in an open invitation collaboration. And this collaboration is entitled The Tablescape Sunday All-White Affair. I like this challenge because they have different hosts on each Sunday when they do a challenge. And today's host is Geraldine of Diva Decorating. And the co-hosts are Cynthia from She's So Blessed, Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Lynn from Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Now, if you're not familiar with these ladies, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist when it becomes available down below in the description. Now, let's talk more about this challenge. Now, they have several rules for us to follow in this particular challenge. Now, number one, you must subscribe to all the host channels, and you must link their channels in your description box along with the playlist link when it becomes available. Two, you must mention the host in your video and show them some love. Three, they're asking for your theme for this tablescape to be an all-white table scheme. And they're asking you to have fun and also to use the hashtag, which I'm going to scroll across the screen, hashtag Tablescape Sunday All White Affair. So let's get into this tablescape. Now, as you see, all settings are the same. They're sitting on a thrifted mirrored placemat. The white plates are thrifted. The napkin is from eBay. The napkin ring, the silver with the nameplate, that is from thrifted as well. And I think it's a very pretty napkin ring because you can put your guest's name on it to personalize it. And then I have the stemless silver trimmed wine goblet that was thrifted. The white wine glass that was an IKEA purchase. So everything here on this table I already had. This was a no spin table setting. Now the white tablecloth, that's one of the tablecloths I have left over from my wedding reception. I have like 11 more. Yeah, 11 more in the garage. Now let's look at the centerpiece. The centerpiece is sitting on the thrifted mirror tray. And then I have the two candlestick holders. They were thrifted with the 9-inch Dollar Tree vase inside with the LED candle. And I cannot remember where I purchased the candles. The center vase was thrifted as well. It is filled with Dollar Tree white roses. I took the tops off the roses and put them in with the gel bubbles and water and 3 floating candles, miniature floating candles. And I thought that would make it very pretty, very elegant, very simple for a wedding. I wanted it to be timeless and elegant. So here is my white, all white affair tablescape. And here's an overlook of the table. Now I wanted to show you the bottle of the gel beads I used. This came from the Dollar Tree. I have, I think, 4 or 5 of these bottles. I've had them for a while. You can use them and reuse them. They come in all different colors. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates.